In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix eFootball mobile download failed. Let's get started. First, check your internet connection. A weak or unstable network is one of the most common reasons for download failures. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data or restart your router and reconnect to the network. Likewise, you can toggle on for the option airplane mode, wait for a few seconds and disable it. This will refresh your network. Now your problem might be resolved. Next thing you want to do is check the storage in your device. Go to Settings, General, Storage. Make sure you have enough storage in your device. If not, you can delete or offload the unused apps. eFootball updates can be quite large and insufficient storage can cause downloads to fail. Next, restart your device. A simple reboot can often resolve temporary system glitches that may be interfering with the game's download process. Next up, you can check the server status of eFootball. For that, launch your preferred browser. Type in eFootball server status and search for it. Now various links will appear. Navigate to this one, Down Detector. The game server may be experiencing maintenance or a temporary issue. In that case, wait for some time and try again later. You can also check official eFootball announcements and social media channels for updates regarding server status and ongoing maintenance. Lastly, reset your network settings. Close this, launch your settings, go to General. Now scroll down and click on Transfer or Reset. Click on Reset Network Settings and complete the process. Now launch your App Store or Play Store and try to download eFootball. Your problem will be resolved. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.